Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to clean your shower drainage. A lot of times there's hair and other debris that gets stuck in there, and it will slow down your drainage while you are taking a shower and whatnot, and that is the last thing you want on your hands. So I'm going to show you how to clean it and make it free of the debris in there and the hair that gets stuck in there. We're about to get dirty because I'm not sure what's under here, but we're gonna find out together. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is how it looks, and I'm gonna get you in really close and you can see all that nasty stuff in there. So this is definitely a dirty job, and I hope you don't get grossed out, but this is real life, you guys. It happens, and this stuff has to be handled. So you can see hair and whatnot, and these are the stuff that gets stuck in there and slows down the water, and then before you know it, you got a drainage problem, and then you gotta call in for a plumber. So I'm gonna show you how to clean all this to avoid all of that, calling your plumber and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna show you pretty close. It's pretty nasty. So to start here, I have hot soapy water, and this is where I am going to be adding this piece to. I'm just gonna throw it in there and let it soak so I could be able to clean it easily when everything is nice and loose. It's not that dirty, it's just a lot of soap scum on there, but we're gonna get all this cleaned up. So I got my gloves on, and they say let's get dirty, which is literally what we're about to do. And then over here I have a piece of paper towel, which I'll be putting in whatever's coming out of here is gonna go right here. And then I have my toothbrush. I clean with a toothbrush a lot. They come in handy, so I suggest you guys start using them because they're so useful. So I'm gonna use a toothbrush, and I'm gonna just try to grab as much stuff from in there with using the toothbrush, and then of course we're gonna put it on here. And then to clean it, I got my magic shower cleaner. If you want to know how I make this, it's with Dawn soap and vinegar, but if you want to see the measurements and all that, I did a video on it. I'm gonna link it somewhere here so you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so to clean the cover, I'm gonna spray it. I had soaked it in the hot water, but I'm just gonna spray it with my vinegar and Dawn mixture here. And then with that same toothbrush, just go ahead and clean it. It's pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot that's coming off. When I first looked at it, I didn't think it was that dirty, but it's actually filthy. So the toothbrush is doing a good job. And I'm gonna show you in a bit what came off of it. So before I rinse it, that's what came off of this. As I was scrubbing it, it was splashing over there. So this is just to show you it's important to clean your showers and get into the places you don't think you should clean, because that's what's hidden under.